Have you ever entered a supplier bill in QuickBooks and realized later that something wasn't quite right? Maybe the total didn't match the supplier's invoice or the date was off. Don't worry, it happens to everyone. The good news is QuickBooks makes it easy to edit supplier bills without starting over. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through how to fix or update a bill so your records stay accurate, organized, and up to date. Let's get started. First, sign in to your QuickBooks account. If you're not already on the login page, click the Sign in button. This will take you to QuickBooks Online, your main dashboard for managing financial tasks. Enter your email or user ID and password, then click Continue to log in securely. It's always a good idea to update your password regularly and keep it private to protect your data from unauthorized access. Once you're logged in, open the Wahiki Expenses tab on the left-hand menu. This is where QuickBooks neatly organizes all your business-related expenses, giving you a clear overview of where your money is going. Under the Expenses section, click Bills to see a list of all supplier bills currently recorded in your account. Find the bill you want to edit. On the right-hand side, you'll see a small arrow. Click it to open a drop-down menu. From there, select Edit Bill. This will take you to the editing screen where you can make updates to any detail, such as the bill amount, transaction date, or supplier information. Take a moment to review everything carefully. Make sure all figures, categories, and dates match your latest records. Even small errors can affect your reports or cause issues when reconciling accounts later. If you're adjusting an amount, double check it against your supplier's invoice. If you're updating supplier details, verify that they match across all your transactions to keep your data consistent. Once you've confirmed everything is correct, click Save and Close. QuickBooks will instantly and securely update the changes, and your financial records will reflect the corrected bill right away. And that's it. You've successfully edited a supplier bill in QuickBooks. By keeping your bills accurate, you're ensuring your books stay balanced, your reports stay reliable, and your business decisions are based on real, up-to-date information. Regularly reviewing and maintaining your expenses can save you time and prevent errors during tax season or financial reviews. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more QuickBooks tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video, helping you master QuickBooks one step at a time.